All right, let's do this. Welcome to my channel. I'm Julie. I make stickers and planners and all kinds of organizing things. I did not make this little Shiba trio. Pikarar, the artist Pikarar made those. Here's a glimpse of some of the pages I've done this year. This has been my theme for the year, these kind of flat colored pages that I've been decorating with stickers because I've been super busy. I used Aloha watercolor on the background. It's got a bit of a shimmer to it. I really enjoy Aloha watercolors. They're made on the Big Island, and they're super yummy as far as painting with them and how they feel on the page. So I had tried a lot of planners and a lot of different kind of organizing systems, and I was very discouraged because I would feel behind kind of before I even started. So I decided to make my own. And I experimented with a lot of different books, notebooks, and even just blank paper. This is a Leuchtturm 1917. I think it's an A5 size. It's dot grid. Quick little cleanup here. I'm going to be using some butterfly stickers, so I want to pick a color that goes well. I think I'll use this orange. Back to my planner woes. I couldn't really find something that worked for the way my mind worked. And I also wanted to be able to write down my goal every week so that I could look at it and remind myself what I was working towards. I found that writing down my goal and then writing down specific actions only related to that goal helped get me closer to what I wanted to accomplish. The boxes on the right side are the days of the week, and I put things like appointments and things I have to do in there that are not related to my goal, and my little habit tracker. But otherwise, the other side, the top, is for my goal. Then I have a space for notes. And the little lines with boxes you see all the way over on the left, well, those are the actions that are directly related to the goal. I try to write down no more than what would be 2 per day, but I don't necessarily do 2 actions per day. It kind of depends on how busy I am. Some days I have more time on one day and less time on another. But basically, I think about it as 2 per day or 14 per week, and that's been working pretty well for me. These butterfly stickers are available in my shop Monday anyway. There's a link in the bio. Because it's going to be Monday anyway. You might as well make a plan. A plan helps, and stickers help more. I've been pretty busy these last several months, so what I've been doing is sticking to a basic flat background or a watercolor background and then adding stickers. And I spend a lot of time like this hemming and hawing, like where do I want to put this one sticker? Sometimes I will map out a whole background that's based on a theme, but lately I've been relying on just my stickers because I want to get stuff done. And I do a lot of this where I move the sticker all over the page before I finally set it down. And it works for me. And then, in a pretty short amount of time, I have a cute layout. Now, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see tutorials, more layouts, planner inspo, and I'm going to figure out where I want to put my sticker page here for the maximum visual impact. Yeah, there we go. I'm sure if I turn it, that will look even better. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.